Good morning everyone, DJ Benji here. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Thanks once again for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing something which I've known about for years and years and years in FL Studio, using a really simple plugin to get that old school jungle / speed garage time stretch, which is really easy to do, but I just can't find any videos on the internet about it. So here we go. All right, lovely. So we got some pianos in there and we've got some break beats in there and stuff, yeah. So let's just say we wanted to make a bit of a drop for this and we wanted to make a jungle style build up, right? First we need a ragga sample or something like that. Now the funny thing is this particular time stretching technique was really popular in the 1990s when the jungle music started coming about. And it's obviously been used quite a lot in other genres from the UK, like the UK garage stuff as well. It's a really cool technique once you get it. We just need to find a vocal. Let's use this for now. We're just going to drop that in onto that one and we're going to put audio track. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm just going to put that there. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to slice this here. And then what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to hit the D key to delete that. I'll put a little bit of a fade on it. And then what we're going to do with this particular sound is we are going to now, we want it to repeat. So there's two ways that we could get it to repeat. We can just copy it across, or what we can do is we can put a little bit of a delay on this, or we can put it on an auxiliary track, which I've already set up. So all we're going to do is just, and I'm using the Echo Boy, but you can use any delay. I'm going to put that, so now, hopefully, yeah. And what I'm going to do is, on this, just for this, I'm going to increase the feedback time. Perfect, right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into our jungle drums track. And what we're going to do is we're going to clone this track. And then what we're going to do is we're going to call this Jungle Drums Build Up. Right. And then now what we're going to do is, and we're going to go into the piano roll. Alright, fantastic. So we're going to go to Edit Sample. And then basically all we want is that bit there. So if we get rid of everything else, all of that to there, we can zoom in with the mouse wheel. Need to make this a bit bigger so we can see what we're doing. Go here, edit, and then delete. So now we've only got the first bit. Do that fade. It's probably from there actually, isn't it? So put a fade on it. So now when we play the whole lot, now we're going to get to the bits and pieces that we actually need to do. So if we go here, click here, we want to look for Granulizer. Fruity Granulizer. So if we go more plugins and type in Granulizer, there it is. We're going to drag this, or we just call it time stretch. Alright. And then what we're going to do now is we are going to do some magic. So where we've got this time stretch thing, what we're going to do now, if we hit this Command and L, we have now got this time stretch on a separate channel. So we've got our maximum Vox and we've got a time stretch channel, yeah? So look, we put a note in. When we play it, it's just playing it normal, yeah? But what you'll see, as we bring this down, put that on about 20 seconds. You see, as we're changing this wave spacing, let's turn it up a little bit. You see how that's giving that effect now? Yeah, so let's put that in the track, and we're going to put this time stretch on here. I'm going to add that in, and we're going to change our grid to bar, and then we're going to put that in there. So now, as this delay drops off, I want this to start. So let's select everything. Perfect, right? So we're going to put that in. We're going to put all these in. So there you go, guys. Easy peasy. That is exactly how you do the iconic 90s style time stretch effect in FL Studio using the basic plugins. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like my content. And I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone. See you later.